like you only can do it on one side. Pause that, pause that. Pause that, Xavier. Xavier, pause that, hurry up. I'm trying to hurry up because we're wasting so much time. All right. Hello there. My name is Jess, and if you are new, I make very fun and creative videos for you. So if that seems of interest to you, definitely consider subscribing because you will fit right in here. I know that was super long. Okay, I'm just feeling nice because usually when I'm recording, I'm sitting in a chair or I'm confined in a like small space. And now I have all this space. You guys can see me fully, and I just feel like, you know, as you can tell in the title, like all YouTubers say, this is going to be a 2018 dance challenge video. And I've been really wanting to do this for a while. If you guys really like pay attention to my videos, like my older videos, and just follow me on social media, you will know that I love dancing, okay? I really love dancing. So I really wanted to do this. I know it's not like, hey, shh, they can hear. So stop, just stop. Be still for a little while, okay? Shh. What was I saying? I don't even know what I was saying. Oh, so I know this is not a hair related video, but I really wanted to do this because I enjoy dancing, and there's been a lot of cool, challenging, and weird dances that was brought up in 2018. So I wanted to try it out, but I couldn't do it alone, okay? I had to bring my squad with me. If you guys don't know my squad, you guys will know right now. Are you ready? Are you ready to see my squad? Squad, let's go! Alright, this is the squad. These are my bros. This is and you are how old? 14. And this is already. Who are you?
8.
Who are you? Emil, you 8 and Xavier, I'm 11. And he's 11. Are you trying to talk with a deep voice? Okay, anyway, so yeah, they're really good at dancing, you know, they're young and hip, so, you know, I'm 22, just in case you guys didn't know, I'm not 16, okay? But yeah, we're gonna just do some dancing. By the way, for all those people who love my hair stuff, I did this cute little, tie bun. It's kind of a messy bun, but my favorite's in this back. Has this cute little bow in the back. If you are excited to see that, then keep watching the video. Okay, so I changed my mind. I was gonna have everybody do it at the same time, but that's just a lot. It's just a lot. So we're gonna do it one by one, and I'll just combine it all. And then you guys get to choose who did it best. Okay. The first song we're gonna do is, I don't really know how to describe it. It's with the green alien where he was doing the some kind of thing. Yeah, we're gonna attempt that. I don't really know how to do it well, but
we're gonna try our best.
Ready, DJ? DJ son? Hey, I know how to do that. Oh, you doing it, the guy. Let's show you. Now, shimmy. Okay, got it.
Done.
Okay, I have to practice. Snap. This is my first time doing this on camera. I don't even know it. Down below
who you think you won and who you think should go to the next round.
Yeah, and if you guys want us to do a part 2, let us know.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't
forget to subscribe down below.
Okay, bye. Wrong one.